back to my channel. My name is Simonette and I am a bridal makeup artist based out of Miami, Florida. Today's video is going to be a vlog, my first vlog, so please have mercy on me. I'm learning, okay? I'm learning. Anyways, today's video, wedding day vlog, okay? So I had a beautiful, gorgeous, perfect bride whose hair and makeup I did, and then I brought 2 girls with me to do hair and makeup on everyone else. In total, they did 10 services. It was like 9 makeup and 1 hair. And then I just focus on the bride. Sometimes I will still do bridesmaids and obviously moms and stuff like that, but whenever I can, I will do only the bride. And you might think that like, oh, that's not that much, but it is, because I spend a lot of time with the bride and there are a lot of interruptions during the makeup and hair process, and you might even see that during the video, like, but it's okay, it's part of the job, it is what it is, and I just plan accordingly. Another thing is when you are working with other artists and they are being hired by you, and the bridal party is your entire responsibility, even if you're not the one that's physically doing their makeup. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of communication, a lot of logistics that have to be done. So I say all that to say that I am exhausted. It's a very draining, but it's nothing bad. I'm not complaining because I love what I do. I thrive in what I do in terms of like the planning aspect and catering to the bride, and then also making sure that the artists that I take with me on any given occasion feel appreciated, respected, they know what they're doing, and that everyone else is like on one accord and everything just that flows easily. That is my job. So at the end of the day, it's also extremely fulfilling, so I wouldn't trade it for the world. A lot of the footage is like kind of random, but I definitely added in there me doing the bride's makeup. I don't know if it'll be a full-on tutorial, but you'll definitely get some good footage. You'll see me doing hair a little bit, and if you have any questions about products, you can leave them below, but I'm going to try my best to remember everything I use and to put it in the description bar and link everything as well. But if you have any questions about anything at all, about makeup artistry, about me, anything, leave them down below, and also leave like suggestions on other videos that you'd like to see. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I had fun filming it, so I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Thank you so much for being here. I sincerely appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video.
Hi, I just wanted to say good morning, and I wanted to call you before you had to go to work, but I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
First time I met you, didn't have a clue what you mean to me. Best friend from the start, always had my heart, but now it loves you differently. You came in at the right time, baby, you have changed my life. Everything I do, I want you.
good? I love it. Okay.
So true. Try not to get ahead, but you know how I get. Still I wait patiently. I just see you forever in my life, and I see myself wearing white. Baby, don't you think that sounds nice? And I still just don't understand that night when you took my hand. I never fell in love so fast. And what I thought I never could deserve, you gave me 'cause you knew my worth. And I can't thank you enough for that. Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like you. Now, baby, we've come so far and never had love so true.
Hey baby, I just wanted to let you know that I didn't see your text, and I love you. Good night. I love you so much, and I'll see you I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll talk to you in the morning, baby. I love you. Love you. Good night.
Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like you. Now, baby, we've come so far and never had love so true.
How are you guys? What's going on?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. How are you feeling?
Good.
I didn't recognize that it was gonna be you because you gave me your name, but you changed your business name a while back, right?
Yep.
Oh, you know each
Yeah.
start to bloom, just like me and you. And I feel a change. Letting the light shine in, my patience wearing thin, and it's all so brand new, and I can't find the words to say just how you take my breath away, babe. Can you feel my heartbeat loud? And it's something different, don't know what to call it. It's something different, and I think I'm falling, and I can't find words to describe it. Boy, you got me hypnotized, it's taking over me.
I love it.
The bangs are a little long though, sorry.
I really don't. I like it.
You don't mind it?
Yeah.
Okay, as long as you don't mind it.
Like a brand melody. Your voice is like a song I've never heard.
Oh, it looks like from the different angles, the hair too.
Yeah.
Side view and stuff. How do you feel? You like the hair?
Yeah.
And the makeup?
I love it.
Good.
And I know your actions speak louder than words, but I'm a little shy, and I'm asking myself why.